I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have an account with sharing enabled and the latest app or firmware. Once done, open the console sharing menu and select your device as the host. Make sure permissions request is accepted. Next, choose whether you will be presenter or viewer, because that determines control rights and input forwarding. If using wired connection, plug in now. If wireless, verify signal and bandwidth. This gets you into the active sharing state and ready for the next steps. You now configure the middle layer. Set resolution and frame rate to balance quality versus latency, because high settings increase bandwidth needs. Once configured, map input devices and enable keyboard or controller capture so remote users can interact. Also configure audio routing so chat and system sounds are separate tracks. Start the stream and watch performance metrics. If you see jitter, lower bitrates, or frame rate, keep an eye on CPU and network panels to prevent spikes that break the session. You wrap up by finalizing permissions and distributing the link or invite code to participants. Set an expiration or restrict access to specific accounts to keep control secure. Make a brief test with a participant. Hand off control and verify inputs are responsive and latency is acceptable, because that proves the configuration works. If issues occur, restart the sharing service first, then check NAT/port settings or reduce bitrate and resolution. That single troubleshooting step. Restart, then simplify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.